So this is the story of what happened when I spent $500 on a Facebook ad. Now, before we sort of get into what actually happened when I spent $500 on just a single ad, I just want to preface that I have done this before, and over the last year, I've done it many times, and I've spent many money through my company on Facebook and Instagram ads. So I do have a general knowledge of exactly kind of how they should be going down and what sort of your cost per view really should be. So why did I spend $500 on just a single ad? Well, some of you may know or may not know that when you do a Facebook ad or Instagram ad and you go to your ads manager window, right at the bottom, after about 3, maybe 4 days, depending on the lifespan of your ad, Facebook will sort of give you this thing that kind of just says boost your ad right at the bottom. And they'll give you 3 options, and they'll say, might be $100, $250, or $500 kind of thing extra. And next to it will show you how much more reach you'll get on your ad if you boost it by that amount. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you guys that because, like I said, it takes about 3 to 4 days within an ad before you even get that option, and I'm not currently running any ad. So initially, this ad was actually $250 for 10 days. Now, because it was one of our last ads promoting our Gold Coast event, we sort of, we were keen to push it as hard as we could. For our $250 ad, when we scrolled down in the boost section, it said if we were to put an extra $250 spending wise, so altogether it'd be $500, our ad would then reach anywhere between 200,000 to 500,000 people. So that was a significant upgrade from what we're currently having. And like I said before, because it was, one of our last ads for this Gold Coast event, we were very keen and eager to sort of promote it as hard as we could. So we did it. Now, unfortunately for us, the results weren't great. And this is why I'm making this video. So I'm just going to compare on screen now 2 different ads. Now, one of them was a $300 value one, and the other one is the one I'm talking about, the $500 value one. Both of these are very similar. They were made pretty much exactly the same. They were both promoted on Facebook and Instagram. The ads are very similar as it's promoting the same event, and obviously I made both of them. Now, first up is the $300 ad. It reached 102,000 people for $300, and the cost per through play was 3 cents. Not bad, right? And I remember that the estimation for this particular one was anywhere between 70,000 and 120,000. Now, if we switch it to the $500 ad, you see that it reached 90,000 people for $500, and the cost per through play was the same at 3 cents. So, for $200 more, it actually performed less than the $300 ad. Now, this is why I'm making this video, because I'm not sure if Facebook has to regulate exactly what they say, and if when they give you an estimation on the numbers, they have to sort of come through with it, because the other 30 ads I've done this year have always been in the brackets of the estimation. Now, this is the only ad that we've boosted extra on the current ad, and it promised us something that it didn't deliver. It actually fell under the initial $250 ad that we created because it didn't even reach 100,000 people. Now, it was meant to be between 200,000 and 500,000, and it reached 90,000. That it was less than our $300 ad, which is a $200 difference, which is pretty significant when you really think about it. I've tried to get in contact with people at Facebook. It's extremely hard. Their help center really doesn't work. They don't really have any way for creators and business owners to actually get in contact and tell them when there really is a problem with their ad. They sort of have these frequently asked questions, and you can click on one of them, but there's no real direct pathway to a person online. So from what I can see, there's really not much I can do. So yeah, that's currently where I'm at. Don't really know who to contact, don't know how to contact because they don't really have a pathway for it, and a bit disappointed. Now, yes, Facebook and Instagram, I'd still recommend doing ads on them. You know, I've gotten a lot of revenue from it in the past, and they are worth it. But obviously to a degree. You know, this video is more just to sort of just be careful when you spend your money on there, because it doesn't always deliver what it promises. But yeah, if you guys know what I can do or what I should do, please leave a comment below, let me know, and catch you guys in the next one.